Top 9. Natural ways to lower high blood pressure without medication and prevent stroke. Did you know that in the United States, 1 in 3 adults suffers from high blood pressure? According to the CDC, over 47% of adults in the country live with this condition, and alarmingly, only 1 in 4 individuals manage to keep it under control. High blood pressure doesn't just make you feel fatigued. It's often called the silent killer, quietly leading to heart attacks, strokes, and even death. Statistics show that more than 670,000 deaths annually in the US are linked to complications from hypertension. And this number continues to rise. Even more concerning is the fact that many people don't even realize they're at risk until it's too late. But don't worry. In today's video, we'll reveal 9 simple, natural ways to help you manage high blood pressure at home without relying entirely on medication. These aren't just random tips. They're scientifically backed solutions proven to improve heart health and lower your risks. Stay with us until the end of this video, because with just a few small changes that we'll share, you can make a big difference in your journey to protect your heart health. 1. Relax with soothing music. Listening to calming or soothing music is a simple yet effective way to lower blood pressure naturally. Research shows that music with slow tempos and steady rhythms, such as classical, instrumental, or nature-inspired tracks, can help reduce stress hormones like cortisol and promote relaxation. This relaxation effect has a direct impact on your blood vessels, encouraging them to dilate and allowing for smoother blood flow. A study published in the journal Hypertension Research found that listening to relaxing music for just 30 minutes daily can lower systolic blood pressure by an average of 4 to 5 millimeters of mercury. The key is to choose music that you find calming, whether it's soft jazz, classical piano, or even sounds of rain or ocean waves. To make the most of this natural remedy, pair your listening session with a quiet environment and deep breathing exercises. Consider creating a playlist of your favorite calming tracks and set aside time each day to unwind. It's an easy, enjoyable habit that not only helps manage high blood pressure, but also improves overall well-being. 2. Practice deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises are one of the simplest and most effective ways to naturally lower high blood pressure. When you breathe deeply and slowly, it signals your nervous system to relax, reducing stress and lowering the levels of cortisol and adrenaline in your body. This, in turn, helps your blood vessels dilate and promotes smoother blood flow, leading to a decrease in blood pressure. A study published in Hypertension found that practicing deep breathing for just 5 to 10 minutes daily can reduce systolic blood pressure by up to 5 mmHg. Techniques like diaphragmatic breathing, belly breathing, and the 4-7-8 method, where you inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds, are particularly effective. To get started, find a quiet place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Focus on taking slow, deep breaths through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise, and then exhale fully through your mouth. Repeat this process for 5 to 10 minutes daily, or whenever you feel stressed. Deep breathing not only helps manage blood pressure, but also improves mental clarity and overall relaxation. It's a powerful tool you can use anytime, anywhere to take control of your cardiovascular health. 3. Take a walk outdoors. A simple yet powerful way to lower high blood pressure naturally is to go for a walk outdoors. Regular physical activity, even something as gentle as a brisk walk, helps improve blood circulation, strengthen the heart, and reduce stress. Key factors in managing hypertension. According to the American Heart Association, just 30 minutes of moderate walking daily can lower systolic blood pressure by an average of 5 to 10 millimeters of mercury. Walking outdoors provides additional benefits by exposing you to natural sunlight, which boosts vitamin D levels. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to higher blood pressure, so this simple activity works on multiple levels to support cardiovascular health. Being outdoors also helps reduce stress hormones like cortisol and promotes the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which improve your mood and relax your blood vessels. Walking in green spaces, such as parks or nature trails, amplifies these benefits by reducing mental fatigue and enhancing overall well-being. If you're new to regular exercise, start small. A 10-minute walk after meals can make a noticeable difference over time. Gradually increase the duration and intensity to achieve even greater benefits for your heart and overall health. Taking a walk is more than just a break from your routine. It's a natural, accessible, and effective way to take control of your blood pressure and enhance your quality of life. 4. Snack on healthy foods. Healthy snacking isn't just about curbing hunger. It can also play a significant role in managing high blood pressure. Choosing nutrient-rich snacks can help balance your body's sodium and potassium levels, two key factors in regulating blood pressure. Foods high in potassium, such as bananas, avocados, and yogurt, are particularly effective. Potassium counteracts the effects of sodium in your diet by helping your body excrete excess salt and relaxing blood vessel walls. For example, a medium-sized banana provides around 422 milligrams of potassium, which supports cardiovascular health. Additionally, snacks rich in magnesium, such as almonds and dark leafy greens, contribute to improved blood flow and reduced arterial stiffness. Research shows that magnesium deficiency is linked to elevated blood pressure, so adding magnesium-rich snacks can be beneficial. For a simple and effective snack, try bananas, packed with potassium to help lower blood pressure. Greek yogurt, low-fat and loaded with calcium and probiotics for heart health. Avocado slices on whole grain toast provides healthy fats and fiber that support artery health. A handful of unsalted nuts. Almonds and walnuts are excellent choices for a nutrient-dense, heart-friendly snack. Avoid processed snacks like chips or sugary treats, which are high in sodium and refined carbohydrates that can spike blood pressure levels. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed options that provide lasting energy and health benefits. Snacking smart isn't just about satisfying cravings. It's a proactive step toward better blood pressure control and overall well-being. 5. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration plays a crucial role in managing high blood pressure naturally. When the body is dehydrated, the blood thickens, making it harder for the heart to pump and leading to increased pressure on the arteries. By staying adequately hydrated, you can maintain optimal blood viscosity and support smooth blood flow. Water is the best choice for hydration. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters of water daily, adjusting for activity levels and climate. Consistent hydration helps regulate blood pressure by supporting kidney function, which manages sodium balance and removes excess fluid from the body. You can also incorporate hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, celery, and citrus fruits into your diet. These foods not only provide water but also deliver essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which aid in maintaining healthy blood pressure. To build a sustainable habit, keep a reusable water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. If plain water feels monotonous, infuse it with natural flavors from slices of lemon, mint, or berries. Staying hydrated is a simple yet powerful step toward better heart health and reduced blood pressure. 6. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Avoiding caffeine and alcohol is another powerful step in managing high blood pressure naturally. Both substances can have significant effects on your cardiovascular system, often causing temporary spikes in blood pressure. For caffeine, These increases occur because it stimulates the release of adrenaline, which narrows blood vessels and forces the heart to work harder. Studies show that individuals sensitive to caffeine may experience spikes of 5 to 10 millimeters of mercury in their blood pressure shortly after consumption. Alcohol, on the other hand, has a more complex relationship with blood pressure. While small amounts may have some cardiovascular benefits, excessive or frequent drinking can raise blood pressure over time. Alcohol can interfere with medications, increase weight gain due to empty calories, and contribute to dehydration, which exacerbates hypertension. Additionally, heavy alcohol consumption is linked to an increased risk of stroke. If you enjoy coffee, consider switching to decaffeinated options or herbal teas. Similarly, replacing alcoholic beverages with non-alcoholic alternatives, such as sparkling water infused with fruit or herbal mocktails, can help you manage blood pressure without sacrificing flavor. Limiting caffeine to less than 200 milligrams per day, approximately 1 12-ounce cup of coffee, and alcohol to 1 drink per day for women or 2 for men can make a significant difference in maintaining a stable and healthy blood pressure. 7. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for managing blood pressure and overall cardiovascular health. When you don't get enough rest, your body produces more stress hormones like cortisol, which can lead to elevated blood pressure levels. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts the body's natural circadian rhythms, negatively affecting heart function and vascular health. Research indicates that adults who sleep less than 6 hours per night are at a significantly higher risk of developing hypertension compared to those who get 7 to 8 hours of rest. Poor sleep also increases inflammation in the body, further exacerbating cardiovascular risks, including heart attacks and strokes. To improve sleep quality, create a consistent bedtime routine. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Avoid stimulants like caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime, and create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your room dark, quiet, and cool. Limiting screen time and practicing relaxation techniques, such as meditation or gentle stretching, can also help signal your body that it's time to rest. Prioritizing quality sleep is not just about feeling rested, but is a critical component in naturally lowering blood pressure and protecting your heart health. 8. Take a warm bath. A warm bath is more than just a way to relax. It can also help lower blood pressure naturally. Immersing your body in warm water has a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. This, in turn, can cause your blood vessels to dilate, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. The warmth of the water works by relaxing tense muscles and soothing the mind, reducing the impact of stress hormones like cortisol that can contribute to high blood pressure. Studies have shown that hydrotherapy, such as taking warm baths, can reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure readings in individuals with hypertension. To maximize the benefits, aim for a water temperature that is comfortably warm but not too hot, typically around 37-40 degrees at 98 to 104 degrees. Spending 10 to 15 minutes in a warm bath can help you unwind and feel rejuvenated. Adding calming elements like Epsom salts or a few drops of essential oils such as lavender can enhance relaxation and further support blood pressure reduction. Incorporating warm baths into your routine is a simple yet effective way to naturally manage high blood pressure and protect your heart. It's an excellent opportunity to take a break from daily stress and prioritize your health. 9. Reduce salt intake. Cutting back on salt is one of the most effective ways to lower high blood pressure naturally. Sodium, a key component of salt, can cause the body to retain water, increasing blood volume and placing extra pressure on your arteries. Reducing sodium in your diet helps maintain a healthy balance of fluids, easing the workload on your heart and lowering blood pressure. Experts recommend limiting sodium intake to less than 200-300 milligrams per day, roughly equivalent to 1 teaspoon of salt. For those with high blood pressure or other cardiovascular risks, aiming for an even lower target of 1,500 milligrams daily can provide significant benefits. To reduce salt consumption, focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, which are naturally low in sodium. Avoid processed and packaged foods such as chips, canned soups, frozen meals, and fast food, as these often contain hidden sodium. When cooking at home, experiment with herbs, spices, garlic, and lemon juice to add flavor to your dishes without the need for added salt. Reading food labels is another crucial step to monitor sodium intake. Look for options labeled low sodium, reduced sodium, or no added salt. Small changes, such as choosing fresh instead of processed meats and rinsing canned foods, can make a big difference. By reducing your salt intake, you can significantly lower your blood pressure, improve heart health, and reduce the risk of serious complications like stroke and heart disease. Congratulations on taking the first step toward better health. High blood pressure is a silent threat, but by incorporating these 9 natural methods into your daily routine, you can take control, reduce your risks, and protect your heart and overall well-being. Remember, small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone who could benefit from these tips, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on health and wellness. Take care, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.